Hello children, today we are going to frame sentences using the word that. The word that is used for objects which are far away from us. We point a finger at them and say that. That is a fan, that is a table, that is a door, like that. We use it to point out to objects which are far away. Now let us see some pictures. What is that? You can see an arrow on top of a picture of a van. So we say that is a van. Next picture. What is that? That is a dam. It's a far away picture, far away object or a construction. That is a dam. That is a pen. That is a pit. Always make an arrow on top of the picture. That is a jet. That is a den. That is a fox. That is a log. That is a cub. That is the sun. Now, in your notebook, you're going to frame sentences like this. We will draw the object far away. For this, we were drawing the objects close to us. Now, for that, we will draw objects which are far away from where we are writing. And we will draw an arrow on the top of the picture so that it shows that it is far away. So how will we write it? Th, the, at. Join them together, you get that. That is a tub. Second picture. That is a pot, a flower pot. So this is how, and you see I have put full stops there. So that's how you will frame sentences in your notebook. So keep revising and keep practicing like this. Thank you.